21 people have been arrested over the violence in northwest Delhi's Jahangirpuri that took place on Saturday evening, in which 8 policemen and a civilian were injured. Clashes broke out between two communities in Delhi in the Jahangirpuri area on the occasion of Hanuman Jayanti on Saturday. Reports suggest that the clashes began when stones were pelted at a procession taken out on Hanuman Jayanti. The police said that 2 minors have also been apprehended for the violence which took place during a Hanuman Jayanti procession. 3 country-made pistols and 5 swords have been seized from the arrested men. Among the arrested men is Aslam, who shot at Delhi Police Sub-Inspector Medalal Meena with a country-made pistol. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to visit his home state Gujarat on Monday. During his visit, the Prime Minister will also participate in several programs in Gandhinagar, Banaskantha, Jamnagar and Tahor. Prime Minister Modi informed about his itinerary during his visit to Gujarat via a series of tweets. According to the official report, World Health Organization Chief Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus will also be visiting the state for 3 days, during which he will participate in some programs along with the Prime Minister. Meanwhile, Mauritian Prime Minister Pravind Kumar Jugnauth will also arrive in Rajkot on Monday. He is said to be welcomed with cultural events at the airport. In the Swedish city of Norrköping, clashes erupted between the police and protesters following Quran burnings that caused riots in several Swedish towns this weekend. 3 people were hit by police bullets during the clashes and were taken to the hospital for medical assistance. In some places, counter-protesters attacked police ahead of planned right-wing extremist demonstrations. Prime Minister Magdalena Andersson has condemned the violence. Reports suggest that the situation was calm on Sunday evening. The demonstration was organized by Danish anti-Muslim politician Ramses Paludan and his Stram Kurs party. Multiple vehicles were also torched during the clashes. Supreme Court cancelled the bail granted to Ashish Mishra, the prime accused in the Lakhimpur Kheri case. Supreme Court set aside Allahabad High Court order which granted bail to Ashish Mishra. A 3-judge bench of Chief Justice of India N.V. Raman, Justices Suryakant and Hima Kohli directed him to surrender within a week. On October 3rd last year, 8 people were killed in Lakhimpur Kheri during violence that erupted. Farmers were protesting against UP Deputy CM Keshav Prasad Maurya's visit to the area. Amid the 4th wave of COVID-19 fear, Delhi on Sunday saw 517 fresh coronavirus cases, 56 more than the previous day, with a positivity rate of 4.21%, as reported by the city's health department. With new infections, the capital's case tally has increased to 18,68,550, while the death toll remained unchanged at 26,160. An upward trend in the number of cases has been seen since the past few days. The capital also currently has 9,156 vacant COVID-19 oxygen beds and 2,774 ICU beds. The country saw a 90% jump in the total number of COVID cases in a single day.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.